Wel, pwynt yr un ar diwedd honna. Canlyniad teg, sa'ch ti ddweud?
Dwi'n mwyn dwi'n teimlo bach yn had by first half na. Mae'r penalti mae'r referee dweud yn absolute shocking i fi. Da ni wedi gwneud rili da defendio. Bob dim o flaen i first half, which dyna oedden ni'n trio wneud, a wedi cael go second half. A dwi'n meddwl dyna nathon ni'n union. A wedyn second half, dwi'n meddwl na mond ni oedd yn mynd ymlaen i ennill i. So yeah, disappointed really bod ni wedi cael 3 points cymryd ar wrthyn ni oherwydd decision referee.
Well, Billy, point apiece. Fair result, would you say, in the end?
I'd say it was, yeah. I think both teams, in a way, cancelled each other out at times. But, you know, when you've got a front three like them, they're always a danger. The height of Zach Clark and Davies, we dealt with them. But when balls come in the box, we've got to be really aware of them. But yeah, I thought we, in possession-wise, we were good. Moved the ball really well in the first half. Created chances. Certainly balls going across the goal. We just needed the centre forward there to tap it away.
Dwi'n meddwl, o hynna'n ella pwysig i chi heno, ella fe sydd mae pethau yn y tabl ar y funud i beidio colli ac ildio'r safle yna iddyn nhw.
Ia, dyna oedd yn oed ydw, bod ni'n dod yma a cael wbath. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi gwneud dangos pwynt hefyd bod ni'n gallu chwarae dal yn erbyn. Mae tîm fel Connah's Keen ddim mawr, so da ni wedi gwneud job heddiw, so ni'n gymryd y pwynt.